Hello friends, welcome back to Learn Maths Easily channel. Today we are going to see the introduction of coordinate geometry, class 10, right? Now we will just see the definitions and important terms that has to be remembered, and the next video will start with the distance formula and the upcoming problems that is present in your coordinate geometry. Now the terms which we need to know, that is the distance of a point from x-axis is called y-coordinate, or ordinate. Right? Similarly, distance of a point from x-axis, y-axis is called x coordinate, or otherwise called as abscissa. So this is two major definitions that is been discussed in the intro of your coordinate geometry. Now this is your Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. Now this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis. Any point that is presented in the Cartesian plane, say for example over here, this is 0, this is, let it be 2, and let this be 3. Any point that is represented in the Cartesian plane where the x-axis, say for example 2 and 3, is represented as 2, 3, that is x, y. So this is the Cartesian representation of a point in the graph that is being discussed in your coordinate geometry lesson. So again, the most important which we know, that is the linear equation, that is, say for example, that is discussed ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. When this is represented graphically, as I discussed before, graphically, right, this forms a straight line, right? This forms the straight line ax plus by plus c. When represented graphically, it gives a straight line. So these are certain important terms which we need to understand before getting into coordinate geometry lesson. The next video will see the distance formula, then section formula, then area of triangle that is present in this chapter. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you.